Hi, it's Emily. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm at my mom's house and we are doing some Christmas baking, and we actually are gonna do Christmas baking over 2 days because we have so much stuff that we want to make that we can't do it all in one day. It would be exhausting. We are going to be doing this over 2 days, but I'm going to put all the footage into one video. I'm so happy this year that I'm actually back home for Christmas. It's been years. We always did this when I was a girl living at home, so I'm super excited. And this year we're gonna have the girls help out a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna include the girls in this video or not because of all the new rules and stuff with YouTube, and I'm so excited. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. Mom's over there making cake balls.
Seriously.
And I'm over here making fudge. I've already made chocolate walnut, and I'm going to show you how to make cherry cordial fudge. If you've never made it, it's so good. So I've got in the pot here I have 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. We're doubling the recipe. And then, so if you're just making one batch, you would just do 1 can. Then you're going to do 1 bag of sweetened semi-sweet chocolate chips, but we're doubling it, so we're gonna do 2 bags. Then you add 1/4 cup of Nutella, and Mom has hazelnut spread. I don't know why she didn't get Nutella, so I'm gonna add 1/2 cup, and then you top with maraschino cherries. I'm just stirring all this together on low heat.
Most of it.
I'm just spreading this around. Now we add the cherries over top. Oh, and you kind of just mix them in like that. All over. Okay, I'm done. This is what you call the best fudge ever in the world, and it's so easy. Okay, so we just made some cranberry pistachio bark. It looks so pretty. This was my mom's idea. Well, is it your idea? Pinterest. So it's just melted white chocolate with cranberries and pistachio, and it looks so pretty and Christmassy. It was super easy, and then you just let this dry. Okay, Mom, what are you making?
Chocolate cherry shortbread cookies.
Ooh. Those look really good. I am sitting here opening chocolate kisses to make peanut butter chocolate kiss cookies. Shortbread cookie dough is done. It goes in the refrigerator. Here's the recipe. Screenshot that. Mom is finishing up, what is this one called?
Cranberry, pistachio, white chocolate chip, shortbread cookies.
Yes. Took 2 people. Me and her both was trying to get this made into dough.
Take the cranberries, pistachios, and the chocolate chips all mixed in. Some goodness.
Like there? Okay, most people just stop at this, but Mom likes extra. So we add chocolate. they're all finished. This is the bark that we did earlier. It's the white chocolate cranberry pistachio. So pretty. Doesn't this look so good? Yes, this is really cute. I bet it tastes really good too. So I just got to Mom's house and she beat me this morning getting started on everything. She already baked all of the shortbread cookies that I showed you we made the dough for the other day. She baked them this morning. Here is all the shortbread cookies. These are the cherry chocolate chip. And these ones are, what are these? Pistachio?
Cranberry, pistachio, white chocolate chip.
Yes, these are cranberry, pistachio, white chocolate chip. So those are done. And she's also started on these cookies, which are my favorite cookies. We do these every year for Christmas because they're so good. Yeah, chocolate cookies, and you put mini Reese's cups on top. And then I'll show you later where we drizzle peanut butter chocolate chips.
Because we have to be extra.
Because we're extra. And they are so good. They're my favorite cookies for Christmas every year. And everybody loves them. So we do them every year. Oh, she already started without me. Let me see that cookbook. This is the cookbook that we got the recipe out of.
For several of our recipes.
Several of our recipes came in there.
And you can't buy this anymore. I've probably had this 20 years. It come from Avon.
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 Yep, that's old.
Yeah.
People still do Avon though.
I know.
So, I will share this recipe with you all so that if you want to make them, you can, because they're like so good. Here is these cookies. This recipe, they put peanuts on top, but we never do that. But here is the recipe, and I will insert it, and you can screenshot it if you want to make them. Mom is rolling out cookie dough and putting them in shapes. We're making sugar cookies that the girls are going to decorate with icing. I'm over here making Ritz crackers and peanut butter things right now. These cookies just came out of the oven. These ones are ready to go in. And they're over here making more cookies with Nana. No. Okay, so this is just peanut butter chips, Reese's peanut butter chips, and we're gonna cut this and put them over top of these cookies. Drizzle it. Did I get it? Yeah. Okay, we got all the cookies done. Gonna put the icing on now. These don't look nearly as pretty as they have in the past, but the girls helped, so we just went with it. I am currently making cranberry bliss bars, and these are like the Starbucks copycat recipe ones. So I've got everything in here. I'm just gonna add the cranberries and mix this all up. Here's everything in there except I gotta add the chopped cranberries. Here's a recipe for it. So I'm getting ready to make the bars, this part, and put them in the oven. film the birthday cake balls, but there they are, and I'm getting ready to do the red velvet ones in chocolate. If you have any secrets for how to make cake balls look pretty, let us know, because we're struggling. Ours look a little janky. Ooh. This is my method. We tried toothpicks, that wasn't working. So I decided a spoon would be best. I don't know. Okay, Mom is putting these away. We're just gonna say E for effort on the cake balls. I got all my stuff ready to go. We are gonna call it a day. We didn't finish the cranberry bliss bars because it is late and I need to go home and cook dinner. We got the cranberry pistachio bark, the shortbread cookies. We have the peanut butter cup cookies and the sugar cookies. We have these peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. And here is all of the fudge.